Hello everyone, welcome to Bodha Academy. I am Kamlakar, lecturer in physics. In this video, we will be discussing about concepts and formulae related to damped oscillations and various examples of simple harmonic motion for quick revision. The oscillations made by a body that is not subjected to any external force is called as free oscillations or natural oscillations. If frictional forces are present, then amplitude of oscillation gradually decreases because energy is dissipated. Such oscillations are called as damped oscillations. The restoring force of a damped harmonic oscillator is given as F is equals to minus Ky minus Bv, where K is force constant, B is damping constant, and V is speed of particle. The differential equation for a damped harmonic oscillator is given as m into d square y by dt square plus b into dy by dt plus ky is equals to 0. The solution of this differential equation is given as y is equals to a cos omega t plus phi naught, where a equal to a naught into e power minus b by 2m into t. A is amplitude of damped harmonic oscillator at time t. A naught is initial amplitude. The amplitude decreases exponentially with time. The time period of oscillator is given as t is equals to 2 pi divided by under root k by m minus b by 2m whole square. The energy of damped harmonic oscillator is given as E is equals to half k into a naught square whole thing into e power minus b by 2m into t. Now we'll discuss about various examples of simple harmonic motion. First one, time period of oscillations of a body in a tunnel dug along the diameter of Earth is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root capital R cube by gm, where capital R is radius of Earth, capital M is mass of Earth. This formula can also be expressed as T is equals to 2 pi into under root capital R by G. On simplifying, we'll get T is equals to 1.41 hour. Note, the time period formula do not change even when body oscillates in a tunnel dug along a chord of Earth. A torsional pendulum is a disc suspended by a wire attached to the center of mass of disc. When disc is rotated slightly and released, then it will execute angular simple harmonic motion. The time period of oscillations of a torsional pendulum is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root I by C, where I is moment of inertia of circular disc about an axis passing through center of disc and perpendicular plane of disc, and C is couple per unit twist or torsional constant. Compound pendulum. It is also called as physical pendulum. Any rigid body mounted such that it is capable of swinging in a vertical plane about some axis passing through it is called as physical pendulum. The time period of oscillations of a compound pendulum or a physical pendulum is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root I by mgd, where I is moment of inertia of rigid body about an axis passing through point of suspension, m is mass of body, d is distance between point of suspension and center of gravity of the body. Examples of compound pendulum. First one, time period of oscillations of uniform rod oscillating about a point O at one end. In this case, the moment of inertia of rod is given as I is equals to ml square by 3 and d is equals to L by 2. Hence, time period of oscillations of uniform rod oscillating about a point O is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root 2L by 3G. This formula can also be expressed as T is equals to 2 pi into under root L effective by G, where effective length is equals to 2L by 3. Case 2. Time period of oscillations of uniform rod oscillating about a point O as shown in figure. In this case, T is equals to 2 pi into under root L square plus 12x square by 12gx. This equation can also be expressed as T is equals to 2 pi into under root L effective by G, where L effective is equals to L square plus 12x square by 12x. Time period of oscillations of a uniform thin circular ring pivoted from a point on its circumference is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root 2r by G, where r is radius of the ring. This equation can also be expressed as T is equals to 2 pi into under root L effective by G, where effective length is equals to 2r. Time period of oscillations of a body that is capable of pure rolling is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root m by k whole thing into 1 plus k square by r square. Here m is mass of rolling body, small k is spring constant, capital K is radius of gyration, and r is radius of rolling body. Consider a wooden block of mass m and area of cross section A partially immersed in a liquid such that its side of length L is vertical. Let ds be density of wooden block and dl be density of liquid respectively. The block is slightly depressed down and released. Then block executes simple harmonic motion with a time period t given as t is equals to 2 pi into under root m by a into density of liquid into g. This equation can also be expressed as T is equals to 2 pi into under root L by G whole thing into density of solid by density of liquid. Consider oscillations of a liquid in a U-tube. The time period of oscillations of liquid column in U-tube is given as T is equals to 2 pi into under root M by 2 rho Ga, where M is mass of liquid in U-tube, rho is density of liquid in U-tube, A is area of cross-section of limbs of U-tube. This equation can also be expressed as T is equals to 2 pi into under root L by G, where L is initial level of liquid column in the limbs of U-tube as shown in figure. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.